Title: Photoshop Tutorial for Beginners. Introduction. Welcome to this beginner's tutorial on Photoshop. In this tutorial, you will learn the basic tools and techniques of Photoshop that are essential for any beginner. Step 1. Getting started. To get started, open Photoshop and click on Create New to create a new document. You can choose the dimensions of your document, the resolution, and the color mode. Step 2. Understanding layers. Layers are an essential part of Photoshop. To create a new layer, click on the New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. You can also duplicate layers by right-clicking on a layer and selecting Duplicate Layer. Step 3. Basic tools. There are many tools in Photoshop, but for beginners, we will focus on the most basic ones. The first one is the Selection tool, which allows you to select a portion of your image. You can also use the Move tool to move your selection around. The second tool is the Brush tool, which is used for painting or drawing. You can change the size and opacity of your brush by using the options at the top of the screen. The third tool is the Eraser tool, which is used for erasing parts of your image. You can also change the size and opacity of your eraser by using the options at the top of the screen. Step 4. Basic adjustments. Photoshop allows you to make basic adjustments to your images, such as brightness, contrast, and color balance. To access these adjustments, go to the Image menu at the top of the screen and select Adjustments. Step 5. Adding text. You can also add text to your images in Photoshop. To do this, select the Type tool and click on your document. You can then choose the font, size, and color of your text from the options at the top of the screen. Step 6. Saving your work. Finally, it's important to save your work in Photoshop. To save your document, go to the File menu and select Save As. Here, you can choose the format of your file and the location where you want to save it. Conclusion. That's it for this beginner's tutorial on Photoshop. With these basic tools and techniques, you can start creating your own amazing images in Photoshop. Remember to practice and experiment to improve your skills.